Hola everyone, today I'm making curtido, my pickled cabbage, and we'll also be making pupusas in this video. These are the ingredients that I'll be using. Right now I'm thinly slicing some onions. After slicing the onions, to a bowl I'll add my bag of shredded cabbage and the onions. And then you'll pour in your matchstick carrots. Hola everyone. Right now I'm going to pour hot water over this mixture, boiling water. You're going to let it sit for 10 minutes to soften your mixture. Drain it, add your mixture back to a bowl, and then it will be time to season your curtido. Half a cup of water, half a cup of apple cider vinegar to a cup. Mix it, set it to the side. I'm going to season my mixture with oregano, salt, and crushed peppers. Look at that. You let it sit overnight to pickle in a closed container. It's time to make some pupusas. There's my pre-made masa. The beans over there has been seasoned with black pepper and a little chicken bouillon, and then we have mozzarella cheese for a stretch once the pupusa is done. Right now I am forming my pupusa, closing the hole. Now I'm gonna pat it, flattening out like a pancake. Look at that. Time to fry our pupusas. In a hot skillet, I'm using vegetable oil, and I'm just placing my pupusas in the skillet. Once they fry, you're gonna flip. Ooh, you better get a grip. Did you see that flip? Look at how beautiful that is. Come on, flip the other one. Oh my goodness. Let's see how this turned out. Ooh. Ooh. Oi. I. My. I ain't no lie. Now we are going to put a little of this curtido on our papusa. Baby, look at that stretch. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Cheese, that please. That is our papusa and curtido. And I am Hypnotic.